mail. We're gonna finally, UPS finally showed up. If you hadn't seen my little hunting video, you ought to go back and watch it. I made a little funny video about waiting on hunting for that UPS driver. But anyway, before I open this up, I want to remind everybody that John Wilburn, I may have said that wrong, but anyway, for No Name National goes live tonight at 8 p.m. He does it every Friday night. And if you are interested in No Name Nationals, or you're a small YouTuber, or you're interested in drag racing, or to see what I'm talking about and whatever, at tonight at 8 o'clock, look up John Wilburn. That's Wilburn. Look him up and watch. See the people come in and start talking and everything. It's very interesting. So if you got time tonight at 8 p.m., pull him up and watch and see what all the hype's about. All right, let's get back to this Summit. Finally got my package in. I thought another one was going to come in today, but it might. I don't know. If it does, I'll do another one. So let's see what we got here. Hey, that's pretty cool inside that box. Thank you. Thank you for your order. It's pretty cool. I've been trying to do that when I sign off my videos. Thank you for watching. Oh man, you're not just a kid when you open these up. Oh, dud. That was good. That's all for me. Oh me, finally somebody sent me a sticker. Look at here. Summit Racing Equipment. Might have to see if there's a place on there on the car for it. I guess it had to go on the front or the rears. I like one on each side, but I like that. Oh yeah, our little mini spool. I'm not going to open it up, but I'll show you when we start to do the cars. But that's to make dang sure we got positive traction rear end. So I didn't want to weld mine in case anything happened when we had to take the rear end out. I didn't want mine welded, so we got our two mini spools. So that'll be on the agenda real soon. When Randy gets back, we'll see if we can jack it up and put our mini spools in. So anyway, thank you. Remember, like, subscribe, comment. I love to hear it. 259 days to No Name Nationals. And one more time before I leave, John Wilburn tonight at 8 p.m. Go check him out. Watch his live. Thank you.